What if you could automate 80% of your repetitive tasks without coding? Manus AI just made that possible for creators and freelancers, and it's shockingly easy to set up. Manus AI is an intelligent automation platform designed for creators and small businesses. It uses AI to handle repetitive tasks like email management, data entry, scheduling, and content organization. Unlike other tools, Manus requires zero coding knowledge. You simply define your workflow, and the AI handles execution automatically, saving hours weekly. Getting started takes 3 steps. First, sign up and connect your tools: Google Workspace, Slack, email, or whatever you use daily. Second, select a pre-built workflow template or create custom ones using simple drag-and-drop blocks. Third, set triggers. For example, when you receive an email with invoice, automatically forward it to accounting. That's it. Content creators use Manus to auto-organize video footage and repurpose content across platforms. Freelancers automate client invoicing and follow-ups. Small businesses streamline customer support by routing inquiries to departments. E-commerce teams auto-update inventory across multiple channels. The possibilities are endless. Whatever's repetitive can be automated. Manus offers a free tier with basic automations, plus paid plans starting at $29 for advanced features. For creators and freelancers juggling multiple clients, the ROI is immediate. You're not just saving time, you're eliminating human error and scaling without hiring. If automation excites you, Manus AI deserves your attention. Hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss AI tool reviews. Drop a comment: which task would you automate first?